Though it's a release day, you wake up ready to get your PRs merged and merge others' PRs. But suddenly, you get a million email about Jake committing updates to his code, and Sarah's requesting review again because your approval was removed. Yet you forgot to fix that comment that you got in your PR that is 100 years old. You gave some feedback and comments and it's fixed. But in which PR? There is like 50. Actually, where is the release PR?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody calm down.
Now what if you have just one tool that could give you information about your PRs, including your release PRs, in a simple way? Luckily I have made this tool and it's called GitLit. After this long intro, I think we need to get started. So let's begin. As we see here, this is GitLit. This is the application that I have been talking about. I know there is a lot of mess over here, but we're gonna explain it all step by step. So to begin, the first thing that we're gonna see is the request to get our GitHub token. Why is that? Is to access all of our PRs and all of our repository. Not the code itself, but just the title, the URL, and all of that. So to get our GitHub token, we need to go to GitHub, go to settings, and then scroll down till you get to developer settings here. And once we get there, we're gonna go to the classic tokens, generate new token. And now we're gonna toggle on a specific permission that are mentioned in the application here. So the first thing is the repo. The second thing is the user data. So to begin, here is the repo and here is the user read. We're gonna name it GitLit and I'm gonna put it for 7 days and hit generate. Now after that, we're gonna see our token, we're gonna copy it and then go to GitLit and paste it here and then just tap the let's GitLit. So once we tap it, we're gonna see some loading. Now we're gonna see all of our repositories. For example, I'm gonna just choose the iOS cashier. We see another loading. Now we gonna see over here that the numbers have been changed. So if you went and clicked on the pull requests, the first thing we're gonna see is all of the important statistics. As we see here, we have 50 PRs, we have 27 approved, 7 review requested, and 7 changes requested on it. So let's begin PR by PR. The first one, you will see here the username of the PR owner, the title of that PR, and the status of it on the right hand side. We have 2 buttons here. The button over here, when we click it, we go directly to the PR. You'll be redirected there. As you see here, here is the title, the same title over here. The button next to it is where we're gonna see all of the threads, the resolved and unresolved ones. So if you click here, what we will see is the comment that is unresolved, as we see here, review required, and we're gonna see a reply here. So if you click here, we're gonna go to that exact comment as shown in the screen. Moving forward from this, we go to the next tab, which is my pending PRs. Now what is my pending PRs? Basically it is the PRs that I have submitted and it's not approved yet, either changes requested or review required. If we go here, we're gonna see all of these PRs are created by me and we're gonna see all of the comments over here. So the next option is peer pending your feedback PRs. What it means is a pull request that has been created by other developer and you have commented on, and this comment or this thread has not been resolved yet. So if you check here, we will see that I have commented in this PR and the status of it is not responded yet. If we go there, we will see that this PR, this is my comment and it's not resolved yet. The final option here is to release. To release is basically, let's put it that way. We are going to release a version. We need to put all of these PRs that are going to release in one place to visualize it better, to not get lost within these 50 PRs. So to begin, we go there and then we click new release. For me, I'm gonna put 1.0.0 and add it. Now what we will do is to select these PRs, okay, to select this version, and then for example I want this PR to add it to release. I hit right click on it and put it add to release. If we go there and check it again, we're gonna see this PR existed here. Now let's suppose this PR that we have selected has been merged. If we go back into the version 1.0.0, we're gonna find out that this PR has been either merged or deleted. For our example, it is merged, of course. Now, once this release is done, we can easily mark it as released, and now it's released. You wanna create another version, 1.1.2, select it, and then you can keep going and, for example, search for any PR and add it to this release. Finally, we can also switch repository. So we are now on this specific repository. We can go to this one and see how many PRs and all of the details of it. And we could also log out. Another important thing is that every 10 minutes, the list will refresh automatically. And the new PRs will be marked with this new text over here. And the updated PRs will be also marked with an updated text on it. GitLit also supports notifications, so whenever there is a new PRs or there is a new updates on some PRs, you will be notified. And now we have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. The link for GitLit will be available above or below, depending on where you are. Please don't forget to like and comment, and I will see you again soon.